Hello, let's talk about hemorrhage control in dental procedures. How many times have you had a patient which you've done crown preparations or veneer preparations and they return and their hygiene is not great and you've got this kind of situation when you remove the provisionals from the prepared teeth? Well, I'm going to show you a technique that is fabulous for hemorrhage control. I've been practicing for 40 years this summer, and I've never seen anything like this, and I discovered it by accident. And I'm going to tell you here in this 5-minute video how to control hemorrhage and go from here to here. So I've removed the provisional crowns, and this guy's bleeding like a stuck pig, and he's from out of town, so we haven't had a chance to get him in to monitor his hygiene since we did the crown preps. So I'm wiping the teeth with isopropyl alcohol just to clean them. And then this is the best hemorrhage control method I've ever found. And that is in placing 38% phosphoric acid, which is the same etch you use for composite bonding. And you just squirt that on the bleeding area and leave it for about 45 seconds to a minute. Sometimes you have to do it twice, but look at all that bleeding. I mean, that's a gusher. And so put it on there and leave it for 45 seconds to a minute, and then you're going to rinse it off with ice cold water in a water bottle like this. Don't use your air water syringe because that scab is going to be very fragile, but it'll stop the bleeding. So this is ice cold water out of our water dispenser, not out of the hydrant, because that water's not cold enough. But you don't want a lot of pressure. And see how this is scabbing. All that is scabbed over, and it stopped the bleeding. If you floss it or you spray it with your air water syringe, it's going to bleed again. If this didn't work, you could inject the papilla with 1 to 100,000 lidocaine, but this 38% phosphoric acid works 99% of the time. As I said, occasionally you've got to do it twice, but most of the time you can go from here to here with one application. That's the Dental Minute. These techniques work, and they work every time. Click on the blue link in the description below to register for dentistrymasterclasses.com for an organized library of all the Dental Minute videos plus many complete comprehensive cases. And there are new cases placed weekly.